Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to opt out of off-site ads on Etsy in 2026. Did you know that Etsy advertises your products on platforms like Google and social media through off-site ads? In some cases, you can opt out. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how off-site ads work, who can opt out, and how to do it step by step. So let's start by following these few simple steps together. The first thing you want to do is to understand what are offsite ads. The offsite ads are ads Etsy runs outside the platform. You only pay a fee when a sale comes from those ads. And to note, if your shop made less than $10,000 in the past 12 months, you can opt out. And if you made more than that, participation is mandatory. Now, the steps you're gonna follow are these ones. You're gonna make sure to log in your Etsy account, and then you're gonna click on the shop manager. Make sure your shop manager is set and all the informations are entered. And once you're in the shop manager, you're gonna click on the settings. Once you click on the settings, then you're gonna select the Etsy or the offsite ads. Then you're gonna turn off the participation, and if eligible, click stop promoting my products. After that, you're just gonna confirm your choice. And then you're gonna have to know when you should opt out. Now, you should opt out if profit margins are low and if offsite ads fees reduce your earnings too much. And when you should stay in if your offsite ads brings profitable sales and if you want extra exposure without upfront cost. Now, increase products prices slightly to cover potential fees and always track offsite ads revenue inside your dashboard. Also compare offsite ads results with Etsy ads performance. And that's how you opt out of offsite ads on Etsy the smartest way. Always look at profitability before making changes, and because sometimes extra exposure can mean extra growth. And if you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.